Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to insert shapes in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. And there, that's how it looks like if you'll open a new document in Microsoft Word. So since we are going to insert the shape in this document, so you should select the Insert tab on the top left corner of your screen, or it is beside Home tab. So click that one, and right after that, you'll see several options under that specific tab, which is Insert. So you should be under Illustrations, and here you'll be able to see an option for shapes. So simply click that option, and on this part, there will be suggested shapes that you'll be able to insert or place on your document. Now let's try the sample shape. We can try this. Wait, we can start with a smiley. So simply click and then drag in order for you to change the size. Aside from that, you can also change the color. Simply clicking this, or if you want it black, blue, or you can also modify or select a specific color if you like. And there, that's how you insert or add a shape in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.